Understanding what creates the starting direction of a golf shot can be very useful, in particular when trying to escape from trouble. At impact, the direction the club is moving and direction the face is pointed are the two main factors that will influence the launch direction. First, the ball will always start in between the face angle and club path. If the two are equal, then the ball will launch in the same direction. For the driver, face angle has roughly a 4 times greater influence than club path. For an iron, face angle has roughly a 3 times greater influence than club path. Club and ball construction, as well as friction, are other factors that can make this ratio vary slightly. As mentioned, the face angle's influence for a driver is approximately 4 times greater, meaning that it accounts for around 80% of the launch direction. That value for a 6-iron is 75%. In general, as the club's loft increases, the influence of the face angle is slightly diminished. When taking into account other variables that can affect launch direction, it can be expected that almost all shots will fall within the shaded area. Face angle will always be the predominant factor. This image can be used to illustrate how changing the club path or face angle will affect the launch direction. The club path must be changed significantly in order to see a real difference in the launch direction. On the other hand, changing the face angle has a substantial effect on the launch direction. The same holds true for an iron. One thing to consider with the driver and other clubs that have bulge is how impact location affects face angle. Face angle is determined based on the center point of contact between the club and ball. Therefore, impact location directly affects face angle, which in turn directly affects the launch direction. Finally, when in trouble, make sure the face is pointed at the edge of the obstacle and the path is outside that point. This will guarantee the ball's launch direction will not be pointed at the obstruction.